Hello everyone, this is Mr. Nu. Today I will show you one tool. It is called Speech Analyzer. It will help you improve your English and your conversation presentation at a time. So Speech Analyzer is an AI-powered conversational English fluency coach that listens to your speech and provides you with immediate feedback. So you can just come to this platform, sign it up here. Then you can speak about any topic. You just have to click on record. Just speak freely. You will get a transcript of what you said in real time, and you will get a real time review and your feedback. Your pronunciation, intonation, fluency, grammar, vocabulary, everything will be evaluated and you will get a real time feedback. So let me show you how it works.
Confidently is a challenge faced by millions of students and employees around the globe. It's with them in mind that Elsa created Speech Analyzer, the first AI-powered tool to recognize free speech and provide learners with actionable feedback on their English. It's really easy to use. Simply press the record button and speak freely on a topic of your choice. You'll get valuable feedback on 5 key aspects of conversational English: grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, intonation, and fluency. With the help of our experts, we've also developed a range of dynamic features and tutorials to help you understand your mistakes and correct them quickly. Speech Analyzer is the perfect lightweight solution for reliable feedback when your English matters most. Students can use it to prepare for English exams and teachers to support speaking assessments in the classroom. Speech Analyzer can also sync with online scheduling tools like Google Calendar, Outlook, and Zoom. That way, busy people can still get daily feedback on their English in online meetings. Visit speechanalyzer.elsaspeak.com to try it for free. Speech Analyzer. Extraordinary AI for everyday English.
I hope this information is useful.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.